The transformation of Camp Nou continues to unfold with a pace that's impossible to ignore. Every corner of the structure is changing, every section is advancing, and the vision for the new stadium is becoming clearer day by day. From structural reinforcements to exterior installations, today's update brings a closer look at the progress shaping this incredible project. Let's dive in and explore what's new at Camp Nou. On the upper levels, workers move between platforms as new materials are positioned and secured. Machines lift structural components into place, while safety crews adjust pathways and reinforce access points. Although some areas may appear similar to previous days, there is subtle but continuous progress that shapes the next phase of development. One of the most striking updates comes from the installation of the ceramic Louvres. Piece by piece, these panels rise along the facade, forming the recognizable pattern that will define the exterior appearance of the new Camp Nou. The installation happens methodically. Machines lift each fin, workers guide it into alignment, and teams secure the anchors that hold the system together. The more sections that are completed, the clearer the final aesthetic becomes. Down near the parking zone, activity is constant. Trucks deliver materials, workers prepare the metal framework, and reinforcement work continues along the ramp. Teams move between levels, placing supports and adjusting the mesh that will later form key structural elements. The combination of machinery and manual labor keeps this entire section advancing in parallel with the rest of the stadium. Along the lateral side, new structures take shape as platforms expand and framing lines become more defined. Workers continue adjusting scaffolding while others weld interior joints. Even small actions like tightening clamps and adjusting support bars contribute to the steady transformation visible across the entire stretch. Inside the stadium, progress is equally noticeable. New corridors, passages, and vertical supports are being prepared. Workers can be seen adjusting formwork, fastening beams, and preparing areas that will eventually hold seating, pathways, and hospitality zones. The interior grows more structured with every passing day. The VIP ring has become one of the most distinctive interior elements. More glass panels, frames, and interior supports are appearing across the structure. Teams install metal fittings and configure sections that will later host exclusive viewing areas. Though the work remains in its early phase, the layout is now clearly visible. Near the escalator zones, new concrete forms and access points continue to develop. Workers place reinforcement bars, secure molds, and prepare the system that will support the escalator assemblies. Although the work is still structural, the formation of the pathways is now noticeable. The massive superpillars continue to rise with remarkable scale. Scaffolding wraps around them while workers adjust each level, fastening structural elements and preparing the next lift. Pieces of the main supports are aligned with precision, contributing to the powerful presence of these pillars across the skyline. From exterior pathways to interior corridors, every part of the stadium shows coordinated activity. Reinforcement mesh is placed, concrete molds are prepared, and interior divisions begin taking shape. Although much of the work currently appears structural, additional installations are expected soon. As more facade elements, platforms, and interior divisions appear, the next visual leap in the project will become increasingly evident. The rhythm of daily progress builds anticipation for the upcoming phases. That's a wrap-up for today's update. The transformation of Camp Nou is rising fast, and every single day brings us one step closer to seeing this incredible stadium take its new shape. And before you go, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Global MegaBuilds for more exclusive coverage from the world's most ambitious engineering projects. See you in the next update.